Hey guys, today we're going to talk to y'all about storing your fur and why it's so important to get your fur into our vault during the warmer months of the year.
Michael Hennig with Hennig Furs. So a couple things that we do. We've got stores. We've got 11 stores all throughout the Southeast. We take those in person at all those locations. We offer the storing, the cleaning, the conditioning, which is a huge important step in maintaining the luster of your fur.
Tell them why that is, because like a lot of my friends always say well, I have a cedar closet at home, or even in the summer months my house stays cool.
All right, so yeah, well, I hear that a lot. Well, we keep our house really cold. Well, if you go out to your condensation drain on your house, as you have your air conditioner on, it pumps out gallons and gallons of water every day. And what that is that's the moisture that's built up into your house. And moisture and furs don't mix. Above us right here, we have a huge dehumidifier, which we'll show in a later video. We've got air conditioners. We've got 6 air conditioners. It stays about 65 degrees in here. We had to turn it off so we wouldn't freeze being in here.
And you wouldn't be able to hear us. It's so loud because all the air conditioners and dehumidifiers going.
Yeah. All right. So if you can't come into one of our locations, we offer a ship to store package. So
it's on our website.
Yep. You go to our website,
hennigfurs.com, and you'll click on ship and store.
Yep, ship and store. And what that does is you'll purchase that package. We will send you a box. You'll get a box just like this in the mail with a label in it. It comes with prepackaged tape, and it comes with step-by-step instructions on how to fold your fur up, how to put it in here. It'll come directly back to us. We'll get it. We'll give you a call and let you know that we have received your fur and that it is in our storage and in our vault.
Mm-hmm. And then also during the summer months, that's also a great time when you can, if you need to do alterations on your fur. So if you have ripped like maybe one of your pockets throughout the season of wearing it, if you want to do a restyle, say that you have a full length mink and you never wear it, let us change that into a jacket and make the bottom part a vest for you. All the things like that when our furriers are not as busy as they are during the season. During the off season, storage season is a great time to restyle your fur.
Let us know. We look forward to taking care of your furs, and hope everybody has a blessed week.
See you soon.